Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add or deposit money into your Coinbase account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser. So you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. And after that, on the search box, type in pro.coinbase.com. So after that, tap on login, and once you tap on login on the other interface, enter your login credential. That includes your email and your password. And once you're logged into your account, this is what the interface is going to look like. So what you need to do is, in order to add or deposit money, you need to tap on trade in the bottom left corner of your screen. After you tap on trade on the other interface, tap on deposit in the top left. So once you're on this page, you'll have to select a cryptocurrency and also make sure to select it USD. After you're done selecting your cryptocurrency on the other interface, you need to tap on wire transfer. And as soon as you tap on wire transfer, you'll be provided with a unique QR code or an account number. You can see right in center you have a pop-up, and then you need to enter the wallet address from where you want to deposit the money. And after you're done entering the wallet address, enter the amount that you want to deposit and make sure to confirm all of your information, and then tap on confirm. So once you tap on confirm, once again you have to review all of your information, and in case if you're sure about your information, tap on confirm, and then you'll be notified that you've successfully deposited or added money into your Coinbase account. So that is how you can deposit or add money into your Coinbase account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.